I'm going back to my hometown. I'm staying in a hotel for a few nights and we're gonna vlog it. What I like to do anytime I travel is clean my apartment first. So I'm gonna get a few dishes done first. Currently Christmas Eve and it is 10 a.m. Just a few dishes, nothing crazy. Now, what I'm gonna do is just try to organize a couple of things. So I'm gonna light this candle. Some of my lovely coworkers at work got me the champagne toast candle for Christmas. Oh my God, it smells so freaking good.
We gon' fuck all night, you drive me crazy. Oh, you chocolate just how I like it, promise I won't bite it. I see you get excited when I put this tip inside it. I like the way you write it, ice on me, it look like siren. Just like 5-0, I got 5 just like Domino. I put the bitch, I put her out, I tell her no. You know it's time to go. Pull up.
Need to pack my vitamins. I take echinacea, guys. I have the world's worst immune system. This is the only thing that's ever actually made a significant difference. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna bring 4 days worth just in case. And my regular gummy multivitamin. I have to take 3 a day of these, which is a lot. I gotta take some garbage off some boxes here from some things I bought for videos, PR, whatever, and a regular garbage bag I gotta take out. There was a package for me up there. It's literally not even that cold out. It's gotta be 45, 50. It's sunny, it's beautiful. This is a black fur coat I ordered off Amazon. Do you see how I get out of breath just from walking to the dumpster? A little jacket. I guess it's cute. Do we like this? I guess I thought it was gonna be like a coat. Like I have a lot of like big fur coats, but I think the problem is I spent like 50 or 60 bucks and that's like the price you could pay for a decent quality actual fur coat. Fake fur, whatever. I wrapped those on TikTok Live last night. My Amazon storefront is the key to everything, guys. I have a Christmas playlist in those bags. Literally no wrapping paper, guys. And it doesn't ruin the aesthetic. It's really nice quality, thick, shiny wrapping paper like material, but it won't rip. The people can reuse these. So I got my presents. I got my New Year's Eve outfit sitting on the floor. Sparkly.